Hello and welcome to Allied Geospatial. Today in class we're going to be looking at TRI. So what is TRI? TRI is Terrain Ruggedness Index, and it is one of the major factors which affect stream energy, surface storage, capacity runoff velocity, and routing at the watershed scale. So TRI expresses the amount of elevation difference between neighboring cells. Sorry, because TRI is calculated using an elevation data, SRTM, them, any of the elevation models. So that's what is used in calculating TRI. So today that's what basically we're going to be looking at, all right? So, but there are a bit of a long process to this compared to the previous factors we've looked at. So we'll be using focal statistics to get some of the factors we'll be needing from this. So we can search focal statistics. Focal statistics. All right, so focal statistics is so it's one of the spatial analysis tools. So if you want to know where it is located on, so you just right click on this and then say locate in catalog. So it's in spatial analyst and then it's in neighborhood. So focal statistics. So that's what we're going to be using. So double click on it. So we're going to, our input raster here will be our digital elevation. So if you've been following from video 1, we did this, which we call it fill them. So we had to fill the digital elevation for any, let's take it as error for now, for any errors or anything. So we're going to, our output raster here will be, we'll click and then we won't put this inside the factor because it's not the factor yet. All right, so we're going to put it alongside with this. So we're going to have what we call mean. Okay, so we're going to create a mean. So we click save. So here we're going to change them to 10. So I'm going to copy this because we're going to be using this more. So I'm going to copy it so that I'll just be pasting. So when you come down here, we're going to, our statistics type, we're going to do mean. So that's what we're going to calculate. So okay. So our mean has been calculated. So we'll go back to the focal statistics and we'll bring in our fill them. So we're going to save this time around. We're going to call it DEM max. The DEM max. So this will be 10 again. This will be 10 also. So here we're going to our statistic this will be 10. So here we will select maximum and then we'll click OK. So for the last one, we will go back to the focal statistics and we bring in our fill them. Then we select this as minimum. So it's going to be minimum. So we'll leave it as mini and we click save. So here will be 10. Here also will be 10. So we're going to select minimum, okay, and then we click OK. So So mini has also been done. So now let's get right to where we are going to do our final. So we're going back to focal statistics. I say focal statistics. We're going back to raster calculator. Raster calculator, and we'll click search. So we have our raster calculator here. We'll double click and bring it up. So minimize this. So what's the formula? The formula to generate our TRI is the mean comma, this is a dot or a comma. Don't trust this, let me use my keyboard, comma, the minimum then we'll put all of them in a bracket. Let's divide by the maximum dot the minimum. So this is dot, not comma. So let's remove it and make it a dot. All right, so this is the formula for this, so put them in bracket. This is a comma, not a dot. All right, sorry. What have I done wrong now? Okay, sorry, I had to check the formula again. So the form, it's a minus in between them. It's not a dot. Sorry. So it's supposed to be the mean minus the mini divided by the din max minus, but I don't know why it's all right, so that has been solved. So now we're now going to put it inside our factors folder. We're going to name this as TRI. All right, so we'll click on save and we click on OK. So our TRI is done calculating. So you right click as usual and go to properties. We go to classified. Yes, we allow it to render. And we're going to click on okay, beginning to like this color. So let's make this 3 and yeah, so we click on OK. So this is our TRI. So this is the end of our videos, and there's something I will also leave behind this video. Is basically I don't know what these numbers really mean. Unlike when we did SPI, I understand what the numbers means, but I clearly have no idea. I've done some few research, but I didn't find what does this number mean and what role does it play in time of flood, I don't really have a full understanding. So if you do have an understanding, please do not withhold it from me and all the people that are connected to this YouTube channel. As you do so, remain blessed. So thank you for watching today's video. I'll see you in the next video. But don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment if you see value in what we do. For now, it's a bye-bye. Still your favorite channel,